welcome to my channel. If you're interested in art, game design, AI, or concept art, you've come to the right place. When you open Tensor Art AI in your browser, you have the option to either create your own project or view other posts created by users. Let us start logging in using any one of the following: Google account, a Discord account, or an email. Click on Create to open our image generating page. Now let's create a character, a sci-fi looking girl. To do that, we need a basic model. This is the style that you want as the output. Here I am choosing real cartoon as my base model. Let's put the prompt.
One girl. The suit should shine and shine, featuring custom design elements with a perfect blend of cyberpunk and steampunk aesthetics. It emphasizes intricate details and a cyborg-like appearance. The character with a high-tech Tron-style cinematic image, creating a visually stunning fusion of mecha and cyberpunk elements, summarizing the essence of futuristic technology and style. Her full body is shown red and black exosuit, visor covering her eyes, neck armor, gloves, futuristic bicycle helmet.
By adding a Laura, I can enhance my character. Let's add Laura to enhance our chosen sci-fi concept. I suggest using Laura called Mecha Injection for our character. You can customize your canvas size here. I am setting it to 640 pixels in width and 1024 pixels in height. TensorArt is available for free, but it is not entirely free. The free version of Laura comes with some limitations. You'll only have access to 100 daily credits, and some features will be locked. However, if you upgrade to the Pro account, you'll be able to enjoy more Laura, more daily credits, and all features will be accessible. If you could take a moment to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, your support would mean a lot to me and motivate me to create more quality content that you will love. Keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity and never stop exploring new possibilities. We value your input and eagerly anticipate your comments. Remember to take good care of yourself, and we look forward to your next visit.